我们到那个西沙、南沙、中沙那边生产的，就得靠那个Genglubu。
Fishermen learn about the climate and ocean currents from the Genglubu, as well as marine resources and locations good for fishing and living. Su Chengfan, I have experienced dangers many times on the sea. The most unforgettable experience was fishing in Shisha Islands in 1973. We sailed to Shisha on board a large tonnage ship newly built in Tanmen town. Over 30 people were on board. One night, while I was operating near Yongxing Island in a fishing boat, I suddenly realized that the color of the seawater was unusual. I recalled relevant account in the Genglubu and thought I need to stop operation immediately to take shelter on Yongxing Island. In the next 3 days, howling winds, torrential rains, and waves higher than 10 meters hit the island. Neither the ship nor people on board made their way back. The Genglubu records sailing direction, time, distance, and routes. It made it possible for wooden boats to fish in the South China Sea and avoid typhoon, storm, and pirates. The accuracy rate is as high as 90%.
他们最早到南海去捕捞的，就是一个人叫做福在德。福在德这个人呢，他们说是元朝。
The Genglubu appeared in the Yuan dynasty, spread in the Ming dynasty, and became popular at the end of the Ming dynasty, Qing dynasty, and the Republic of China period. Only experienced captains could understand the book. As they passed away, the Genglubu was often burnt or buried with other personal items. There are 4 types of names for islands and reefs. Zhi refers to islands and sandbanks. Chuan refers to annular reef rims. Kuo refers to submerged reefs under the sea. And Xian or Xianpai refers to shoals. Historical events also contributed to those names. For example, atolls are called Guang. Spratly Island is called Daozhaizhi. Commodore Reef is called Mujingchan. Eldad Reef is known as Yinbing. And Sabina Shoal is also called Yulin. Donghai Sea is Shisha. Beihai Sea is Nansha. Maoju is Yongxing Island, and Haigong is Half Moon Shoal. In the Genglubu, Geng is a Chinese unit of length, which equals 10 nautical miles. For example, the book says, sail for 15 Geng from Tanmen towards Qian and Shun. It means the total voyage from Tanmen port to Shisha is 150 nautical miles from Qian, northwest, to Shun, southeast. Other versions of Genglubu record 17 fishing routes around Shisha Islands, over 200 fishing routes around Nansha Islands, 29 routes from Nansha Islands to Hainan Island, 7 transportation hubs and fishing centers. They all are the best routes, summarized based on inputs from generations of fishermen in Hainan. At present, only 9 seasoned captains in Tanmen town could comprehend the Genglubu. The oldest is already over 90 years old, while the youngest is 77.
就书成分这个Genglubu就证明海南渔民历代都到这个黄岩岛去捕捞。这黄岩岛是中国的那个领土，这是毫无疑问的。
According to Guangdong Chorography, Zhuanzhou Prefecture Chronicle, and Tong'an County Annals, compiled officially by the Qing dynasty, the South China Sea Islands were under the jurisdiction of Wanzhou. Records about the South China Sea Islands could be found in many official maps, including map of historical countries and capitals, enlarged terrestrial atlas, Zhenghe's nautical chart, overall map under Qing administration for lasting governments, and overall map under Qing administration. According to historical documents, Chinese fishermen were the first to name the islands and reefs of the South China Sea. Those names and the development history, combined with fishing routes and other details recorded in the Genglubu, are irrefutable evidence for China's sovereign rights over the South China Sea since ancient times